here's how to use NX's Thicken feature. If we go to Application and Modeling, in your Home tab, you'll see Thicken. If this is not here, you might need to go up to Search for Thicken, and then you can add it to your tab. Once you have the Thicken command selected or you're choosing it out of a toolbar, you can go ahead and select Thicken. And what we're going to do is we're going to select this top face. Many times you might have a part that has a odd curvature or just a lot of pockets or various different features that are not just planar or flat. So when it comes to needing to make a fixture for your Op2, it may become difficult or require a lot of modeling. Using the Thicken feature, you can quickly thicken the geometry that's already there on your part and then manipulate that to be used for a fixture. So in this example, we will assume that the bottom of this part cannot be finished in this setup, which would require us to have to turn the part over and hold it to machine this face flat. To do so, you can see that this goes up to a point and is very radius and curved. It's not going to sit correctly on a table or in a vise, so we need to make some form of fixture. What we can do with the Thicken function is select this top face, and then you'll immediately see that it's going to create that exact shape but thicker. So one instance that I like to do is take this, and I might thicken this by like 2 inches and throw it way up in the air. I'm going to go ahead and say OK, and that's all you need to do to create the Thicken. But taking it a step further in the result of a fixture, if we go then to Sketch, we can sketch on this face and say OK. Then maybe we just create a simple rectangle, say OK there, or finish. Now, if we extrude this, we can change our dialog here to be subtract, and we'll just make this a 6 and a -6 just to blow it through. We can then say OK, and now you'll see that we have this feature that's been created very quickly that represents what the start of a fixture. If I make this translucent, you can see that it's all blended out nicely with my faces, and now I have a flat surface that can sit down on my table. Obviously, further modeling would be required to add bolt holes or maybe make these sides flat to hold them in a vise, but a very quick way to nest a part into a fixture is to use the Thicken command.